Chapter 4. Indicators, Scripts. In this tutorial, you will learn about indicators and scripts. Indicators are graphical and/or metrical tools which enable you to analyze the market conditions. MT4 contains a database of indicators and scripts by default. You can see them in the submenu of the Navigator panel, but you can also access the indicators by using the Insert tab in the main toolbar. First of all, we will explain how to enable and use additional indicators downloaded from the web. After you have downloaded a custom indicator, you need to copy it to the correct folder so that the platform can recognize the file. Then you need to find Data folder of the client terminal. You can access the Data folder by clicking on File and Open Data folder. After this, open the MQL4 folder and find the Indicators folder, and copy your custom indicator to that specific folder. Remember that in case of scripts or expert advisors, the subfolder must be chosen accordingly. So that the client terminal can recognize the updated database, MT4 has to be restarted. Once you have restarted the platform, you will be able to see your new custom indicator on the Custom Indicators list located in the Navigator window. Now you will learn how to attach the indicator to a specific chart. Double-click the New Indicator tab, and a new indicator window will appear. In the Custom Indicator window tab, you can adjust colors and options. You can also enable the DLL, Dynamic Link Library imports, which allow you to import the data to your Excel sheet so that you can monitor or analyze live feed data from MT4. In case you want to delete the indicator from the chart, simply right-click and select it from the list of indicators. It is also useful to know that you can edit the features of the attached indicator anytime you want. Apart from this, the newly attached indicator can be saved in the template file. In case you attach multiple indicators to one chart, you can save time by creating a template file and attach all your indicators instantly. You will learn more details about indicators in a separate module. Scripts allow you to perform trading operations instantly. There are various types of scripts, such as for opening trades, closing trades, etc. The difference between indicators, scripts, and expert advisors is basically the following. Indicators help you analyze the market. Scripts perform market activities, and you don't need to activate them repeatedly. And expert advisors allow you to backtest your trading strategies and perform automated trading. To enable execution of your scripts, go to Tools, select Options, and when the Options box opens, tick Allow Live Trading. On MT4, all the scripts, indicators, and expert advisors were written in the programming language called MQL4 language, which means MetaQuotes Language 4. This means that you can only write or modify your own script by using the Meta Editor option, or by right-clicking a script and selecting Modify. You can always find out more information by pressing F1 inside the Meta Editor user manual. Thank you for watching.